Jordan 4RM Easter 2025. As the Air Jordan 4RM enters its second year, pastel Easter styles are a great place to start looking at the brand's entire register to see how it hopes to achieve it. This colorway easily connects to the April holiday because to the lightened pink, green, and off-white hues that use them throughout. This is by no means the first time the Jordan color team has tried this style, though. This presents as some appropriate seasonal attire, whether it is due to the low-cut composition's special suitability for more delicate looks or just a question of chance. The Air Jordan 4RM Easter would only be appropriate for an April release, but we've seen many Nike products with holiday themes that don't make it to their window. Anticipate women's sizing at an average MSRP of $150 when this pair becomes available.